Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the first two episodes of Ahsoka, the new Star Wars series that follows the adventures of Ahsoka Tano, the former Jedi who became a rebel hero. In this video, before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. I'm going to explain the secrets of Peridea and the Eye of Sion, two mysterious elements that are introduced in the show. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now let's get started. The first episode of Ahsoka begins with a voiceover from Ahsoka herself, saying, "I've been searching for someone for a long time. Someone I lost. Someone who could be in danger." She then reveals that she's looking for Grand Admiral Thrawn, one of the most powerful and cunning Imperial officers who disappeared along with her friend Ezra Bridger at the end of Star Wars Rebels 1. Ahsoka believes that Thrawn is still alive and that he might know where Ezra is. She follows a lead from Morgan Elsbeth, a former Imperial governor who now works as a mercenary for Thrawn's loyalists. Morgan tells Ahsoka that Thrawn is in another galaxy, a place called Peridea. Peridea is a mysterious planet that was visited by extragalactic aliens thousands of years ago. These aliens left behind a star map that shows the route to their home galaxy, which Morgan has deciphered. She plans to use a ship called the Eye of Sion to travel to Peridea and bring Thrawn back. The Eye of Sion is a massive vessel that was built by extracting hyperdrive cores from superstar destroyers, the largest and most powerful warships in the Empire. The ship is named after Sion, an ancient Sith Lord who was known for his ability to cheat death. I'll see you next time.